Chris. Just wanted to show you what I'm talking about. See that little microscopic hole right here? Right there. That absolutely goes into this chamber, which connects to this and that. And I want to start it up because I want to show you something. Pay close attention to this little brass knob here, right here. This little brass area when I put my finger over this hole like this, okay? Let me start it up. Hang on. Okay, now watch. I'm gonna plug it up. That right there is messing with your mixture, sucking extra air. Watch the middle gauge right here. Watch when I do it. See it going crazy? Watch the bottom gauge down here. Watch it go. Watch it go. See? Okay. All right, we'll get her done. I'll get it fixed for you. I just wanted to show you what exactly what one problem was. That's so unique. I just had to show it. All right, Chris. Thank you once again, folks. This is carburetorsandmore.com. 832-221-4007.